If you've ever dreamed of turning your ideas into real physical objects, whether it's custom parts, miniatures, tools, or even full-on prototypes, then you already know how powerful a 3D printer can be. But with hundreds of models releasing every year, choosing the right one in 2026 has become more confusing than ever. That's why in today's video, we're breaking down the best 3D printers of 2026, so you don't waste your money on something slow, outdated, or unreliable. We'll cover printers for beginners, hobbyists, professionals, small businesses, and even advanced creators who want the best print quality possible. And remember, all the printers we talk about today have their Amazon links in the description, so you can check the latest prices and full specs anytime. Welcome to Consumer Heaven. Let's jump straight into the list and help you pick the perfect 3D printer for 2026. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Combo is hands down one of the most beginner-friendly high-speed printers ever released, which is exactly why it earns 5-spot. Bambu designed this machine for people who want the speed and quality of their higher-end models, but without the learning curve or the price tag. And honestly, they nailed it. What makes the A1 Combo so impressive is the fully automatic calibration system. One tap and the printer handles everything: nozzle pressure tuning, bed leveling, vibration analysis, flow calibration, you name it. For beginners, this removes 90% of the usual setup headaches. You basically unbox it, run the calibration, and start printing. Print quality is shockingly good for the price, especially for miniatures, household gadgets, toys, and small functional parts. And with the AMS Lite, you get multicolor printing that's actually easy to use. No complicated hacks, no constantly babysitting the machine, just clean, beautiful multi-material prints. Noise levels are lower than expected, making it perfect for a bedroom, home office, or small apartment. The interface is simple, the auto-resume feature works great during power cuts, and remote monitoring feels premium for such an affordable printer. The only real limitation is build volume. It's smaller than most printers on this list, meaning you won't be printing full cosplay helmets in one piece. But if your projects are medium or small, the A1 Combo offers one of the best dollar-to-performance ratios of any printer this year. Perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and makers looking for zero-stress high-speed printing. Number 4. Formlabs Form 4. Now this one is for the professionals. The Formlabs Form 4 isn't here to compete with budget machines or beginner-friendly models. This is industrial-grade resin printing designed for creators who demand museum-level detail, business-reliable consistency, and ultra-predictable results. With its powerful new light engine, the Form 4 cures resin faster than almost any SLA printer in its class. Perfect for dental labs, jewelry designers, engineers, and small businesses producing high-precision prototypes. The detail you get from this machine can genuinely rival cast-molded parts. Edges are crisp, surfaces are smooth, and dimensional accuracy is outstanding. But what truly makes the Form 4 special is the workflow. Resin handling is fully optimized. Automatic resin feed, ultra-durable tanks, intuitive preform slicing software, and a guided setup system make the process smooth even for complex projects. Its ecosystem is also huge. Tons of resins for engineering, elasticity, dental applications, high temp use, jewelry casting, and more. Of course, this machine is expensive and not meant for casual hobbyists. The proprietary ecosystem means you're using Formlabs resins, Formlabs hardware, and Formlabs consumables. But that's exactly why the results are so consistent. For professionals who make money with 3D printing, the Form 4 is one of the most reliable tools you can buy in 2026. Number 3. Sovol SV08 Pro. Landing in the top 3 is the Sovol SV08 Pro, one of the biggest surprises of the year. This machine is a budget-friendly CoreXY beast that delivers performance far beyond what you'd expect at its price point. In fact, it competes with printers that cost double or triple, which is why makers everywhere have been calling it the budget king of 2026. The SV08 Pro pushes speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, and what's shocking is how stable it stays while doing so. Soval reinforced the frame, redesigned the cooling ducts, and introduced a new direct drive extruder that handles flexible filaments better than previous models. For a machine in this price range, that alone is impressive. Quality-wise, it punches way above its weight. High-speed prints remain sharp, surface lines stay tight, and even large models show minimal ringing thanks to improved vibration control. It's also extremely customizable, perfect for people who love modding their machines. Now, this is a budget printer, so there are trade-offs. Customer support varies depending on your region, and out-of-the-box tuning may require more effort than premium brands like Bamboo or Prusa. But if you're comfortable tweaking settings and want insane performance for the money, the SV08 Pro is one of the best value deals this Black Friday. It's ideal for hobbyists, tinkerers, and budget-conscious creators who still want serious speed and quality. Number 2. Raise 3D Pro 3 Plus. If your projects require industrial reliability, you'll understand immediately why the Raise 3D Pro 3 Plus takes the #2 spot. This machine is built for professionals, print farms, engineering labs, and businesses that produce functional parts at scale. It's large, fully enclosed, incredibly stable, and capable of printing advanced filaments that most consumer printers choke on. Nylon carbon fiber composites, PC blends, ABS-GF, engineering-grade PETG, this machine handles them all without breaking a sweat thanks to its heated chamber and dual extruder setup. Dimensional accuracy is excellent, making it ideal for jigs, fixtures, enclosures, brackets, production parts, and prototypes where precision matters. The build quality is on another level. The rails are smooth, the wiring is clean, the airflow is optimized, and the enclosure maintains consistent temperature even during long multi-day prints. Maintenance is guided through smart sensors, and the touchscreen interface is one of the best in the industry. Multi-material printing works reliably thanks to the independent nozzles, allowing clean dissolvable supports and smooth surface finishes. This machine is not aimed at beginners. It's expensive, heavy, and very much a professional tool. But for businesses that rely on 3D printing for production, the Raise 3D Pro 3 Plus is one of the most dependable machines you can buy in 2026, and this year's Black Friday deals make it a rare opportunity to save big on a true industrial platform. Number 1. Bambu Lab X1C Gen 2. Taking the number 1 spot for 2026 is the Bambu Lab X1C Gen 2, the upgraded successor to the legendary X1 Carbon that changed the entire consumer 3D printing industry. If you're looking for the perfect combination of speed, accuracy, intelligence, automation, reliability, and multi-material capability, nothing else on the consumer market comes close. The Gen 2 introduces better nozzle durability, refined cooling paths, faster onboard processing, and improved sensor feedback. These upgrades give you cleaner surfaces, sharper corners, and better consistency even at ultra-high speeds. The LiDAR-based calibration system remains one of the coolest and most accurate features in any printer, scanning your first layer and adjusting it automatically for flawless adhesion. Color printing with the AMS has been improved too. Fewer jams, faster switching, smoother transitions, even long multicolor projects run far more reliably than the first-gen machines. And the enclosure, combined with powerful cooling, means even advanced filaments come out with phenomenal quality. Is it expensive? Yes. Is it worth it? Absolutely. The X1C Gen 2 is the printer for creators who want everything: speed, stability, innovation, automation, and unmatched performance. It's the closest thing to a perfect all-around printer you can buy in 2026, especially with Black Friday discounts. So, those were our picks for the top 10 best 3D printers of 2026. Each one has its own strengths, whether you want the best print quality, the best value, the easiest beginner experience, or a powerhouse machine for serious projects. Before you decide, think about what you print the most: small models, large pieces, flexible materials, or ultra-detailed prototypes. Your printing style will determine which one is truly the best for you. You'll find all the Amazon links in the description below, so feel free to explore prices, specs, and customer reviews. Now, I want to hear from you. Which 3D printer are you currently using? Or which one are you planning to buy in 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love reading what the Consumer Heaven community is building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.